has brought hundreds of fugitives to justice. We couldn't have done it without your help. That's why we turn to you again in the case of a murderer on the run. Austin's plan for the murder of her stepfather seemed foolproof. Austin, as arson investigators in Iowa later discovered, had cut a gas line in the building where Wayne Jansen ran a modest plumbing company. The place was rigged to blow, as poisonous fumes clogged the building for hours undetected. It was a plan that the cold-blooded murderer executed to near perfection. The plumber had a routine that Austin knew well. After a day out on the job, Jansen would stop by the office to lock up his tools away for the night. But fate would intervene on this tragic evening. Having made an earlier date with his wife, Jansen instead sent his apprentice, Ryan Milner, to lock up in his place. As Austin had devised, the building went up in a violent ball of flames. But it was Ryan who would perish inside, instead of her intended target. Austin was detained for the murder of Ryan Milner before violently escaping the custody of a U.S. Marshal. She remains on the run to this day. Federal authorities consider her armed and very dangerous. So if you have any information as to Austin's whereabouts, please call our hotline. Let's bring this heartless killer to justice. Remember, you can make a difference.
Interesting.
All right.
I always thought that Kate killed her stepfather.
And let's go to the next question. Oh.
How's it going?
Horace?